Hello everyone, Justin here and welcome back to another Bizmates for Beginners video lesson where every week we introduce a new idiom, phrase, or expression that you can use in your daily business conversation. And this week, everyone, we are going to learn I second that. I second that. Okay, so if you're curious and want to know what this means, please stay tuned. But first, as always, let's begin with a quick review of last week's lesson. Okay, everyone, so imagine I ask you, what hotel should I book for my business trip? And you are going to recommend the Crossroads Hotel because of its great cost performance, okay? It's got great value for my money. So, how do you say that using the expression from last week? I'll give you 5 seconds. Are you ready? Okay, and go. All right, and time is up. If you said, I suggest the Crossroads Hotel, it's a real bang for your buck, and that's exactly right. Well done, and thank you for remembering last week's class. Okay, everyone, let's move on to I second that. Now, this is what I sometimes hear. All right, so I'm working on a big project with my colleague Taro, but things aren't going very well. We're running into a few problems. So say, Taro, I don't know if we can really meet this deadline realistically. So I think we should delay the launch of the product. Taro says, I think so too. Okay, good. I'm glad we are on the same page. I'm glad we think the same thing. But Taro can use a different expression. For example, yes, that's right. I second that, okay? So whenever you agree with someone's opinion, you can say, I second that. So for example, I'm so glad that we have a long weekend coming up. You say, yeah, I second that. Yeah, I think this product needs to be a little bit more advanced. You say, yeah, I second that, okay? So whenever you agree with something someone is saying, you can say, I second that. Okay, everyone? All right, pronunciation, very simple as you see it here, so please repeat after me. I second that. Your turn. Okay, now after my sentence here, we're having a lot of issues with the product design, so I think we should delay the launch of the product. Good. Okay, I second that. All right, everyone, so please remember this for next time. Okay, our bonus question this week is another way to say, yeah, no problem so far. If you know what that is, you can feel free to leave it in the comments below. If you're not sure, but you're curious, we covered it in one of our previous video lessons, so take a look if you have the time. Okay, everyone, so that is it for us this week. Thank you always for watching. Have a great weekend, and I will see you next time. Thank you.